This is an unscripted video where I thought I might be able to explain why I bought this particular generation of Harley-Davidson Ultra Classic. These are the bikes that were made in the years 2009 through 2013, and this is a 2012 Ultra Classic. The Ultra Limited, which really looks identical, has the addition of security system, ABS brakes, and heated hand grips. I'm not aware of any other changes. I added the security system to this bike, and I already have heated gloves that go with my heated jacket. So this is an Ultra Classic, and yeah, if it was an Ultra Limited, I'd be, even more enthused with the motorcycle, but this was just so beautiful. Low miles. I bought it with just under 20,000 miles, and the paint's beautiful. He added the previous owner had the wheels chromed and the super trap. I put on the luggage rack and the covers on the rear footboards, the nostalgia footboards, which I had in my garage on a shelf, and the brake pad. In addition, I had the smoked lenses added, and the chrome trim on the windshield, and the 3-pocket windshield storage. Colors are beautiful. It's ember red and merlot, and I'm just thrilled with the motorcycle. I like this generation because I like the gauges. I like those 6 gauges, and I don't like a big screen. Reminds me too much of my Subaru. I also added the hand grips with the hand grip covers that you see here. And a very important thing that I did was I have a Sena 50S headset, which I bought because I thought this completely through. I used the CB radio, which this has, of course, on the motorcycle short rides that come out of the local Harley-Davidson dealership, and we communicate 90% of the time through the CB. We still feel it works better than the Sena helmet-to-helmet communication, and we're, but I can do either. But what I did was I integrated the helmet headset through the Sena Freewire, which you see here. Now, normally this mounts on the handlebar, and a coiled wire goes to the communication port just behind the fuel tank door. But Sierra Electronics made an adapter that connects under the seat to the wiring harness without any kind of splicing, just connector to connector adaptation. And I have my power takeoff and the Sena Freewire, and that allows me to have all the bike's audio, whether it's CB radio, whether it's the CD player, AM, FM, come through the wireless headset. Works like a charm. So that means I really don't have any downside. I have my GPS, which I took off my older bike, and that's fine. And so here she is. This is Big Red. I've got a Little Red in the garage. It's a 98 Sportster. So I had 135,000 miles on my previous Ultra Classic. It was a 2003 100th anniversary in gunmetal pearl. I miss it, and I thought I would never be able to replace it with something that made me feel as good. And this does. I saw it, and I knew it was the right bike. 103 cubic inch engine is a good engine, and I've got as much power as I want. I know some people want more, and they'll do things, or they'll get the newer Milwaukee 8s, but I'm very happy with this. I will tell you that don't parade this bike if you're going to get stuck at a standstill on a 90-degree day, because these engines will just not be happy. And that's it. I hope you appreciated my video, and have a great day.